Hello everyone, welcome to Ahmad's classroom. We have a square root of 2x plus 5 equals to I. Let's find out for x. As we know that I equals to square root of -1, and now we have square root of 2x plus 5 equals to, instead of I, square root of -1, and we square both sides of the equation. It becomes square root of 2x plus 5 whole square equals to square root of -1 whole square. Now it becomes 2x plus 5, because this and this cancel out, this and this cancel out, equals to -1, and 2x equals to -6. If I divide left and right side of the equation by 2, then here I have x equals to -3. Thank you so much for joining. Please make sure to give me a thumb up and hit that subscribe button, and do not forget to watch my other videos on my YouTube channel. Take care, bye.